In this video, I want to go over the project that we completed in West Hampstead. We moved the kitchen across into the living room to create an open plan kitchen diner, and we changed the kitchen into a bedroom. So the purchase price for this apartment was $303,000. Towards the end of the video, I'll let you know what it was worth, having only owned it for 6 months. So the size of this apartment was 43 square meters. As you can see, as you enter the apartment, you have a bathroom on the left-hand side. As you continue, you have a bedroom, also on the top left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, you have a reception room. We have a look at photo 1. This was a picture of the living room. As you can see, the plaster in the ceiling was coming away. The next photo you're seeing is a photo of the kitchen. It does look quite narrow, however, I felt that you could get in at least a double bed and a bedside cabinet on that side. Photo 5 is of the main bedroom, and the final photo is of the bathroom. Again, tired, dated, in need of work. Just wanted to show you what the apartment looked like once we had reconfigured and refurbished the apartment. Photo 1 is a photo of the living room. We always use an interior designer just to make sure we're maximising the space, we're using the right colours, the right type of furniture, the right colour of furniture, the right size of furniture. Photo 4, you can see the enclave where we put in the kitchen. It has everything that a normal kitchen would have. Photo 5 is a photo of the main bedroom. Photo 7 is a picture of the kitchen we converted into a bedroom. As you can see, we managed to actually get in a desk, a chair, a bed, a bedside cabinet and a wardrobe as well. And the final photo shows a photo of the bathroom. I found this apartment on Rightmove. I saw the apartment come on, I saw the photos, it looked like it needed work. I had a look at the floor plan. I was a bit reserved when I saw the floor plan because the kitchen felt small on paper, but when I actually went to view the property, I genuinely felt that there was enough space to get in a bed. We purchased this apartment on a bridge. It was March 2020. Because of COVID actually, the original bridging lender decided to pull out. So we had to find another bridging lender. There were some issues with this property. The lease was nearing 80 years, so it was becoming short. This property did require a lease extension. So there were some challenges on this particular project, but we got there in the end. So we refinanced this apartment after 6 months. So we completed the reconfiguration with the renovation. So when the surveyor came out, he actually valued the apartment at £450,000. Having only owned it for a period of 6 months, it went up from being £303,000 purchase price all the way up to $450,000. So we did have some issues, but we managed to kind of overcome those, and we were really happy with the end valuation. So the purchase price of this particular apartment in West Hampstead was £303,750. The stamp duty was £14,300. The legal fees were £5,847.61. They were quite high. One of the reasons is that we had a bridging lender that decided to pull out last minute because of COVID. Bridging costs £20,931.49. In the interim between when the apartment was complete and when it transitioned over onto the buy-to-let mortgage, we had some short-term bookings, which we received £12,583. The refurbishment costs were £26,000. The furniture and other costs were £16,408. And the lease extension costs were £13,979. All in, total costs for this particular project were £388,633.49. Now, we refinanced this property having owned it only 6 months. So the advance from the buy-to-let lender was £337,965. So the money left in this particular project for us was about £50,000. Now, when we look at the rent and the return on this particular property, so the return on investment is an 18% return. One of the things we like to do is compare if a normal buy-to-let investor purchased a 2-bedroom apartment in West Hampstead and they rented it out, how much money, how much capital would they need to contribute and what kind of return would they earn? They would have to put down a deposit of £112,500, the stamp duty £26,000, legals £1,350, and the furniture costs of £4,000. So a buy-to-let investor would be in for £143,850, giving a return on investment of 6%. Now, we always look at the multiple as well. So what this shows is that for every one apartment bought by a normal, traditional buy-to-let investor, we can buy 2.84. So nearly 3 apartments for every one that a normal buy-to-let investor would buy in London. So we always like to try and add value. So when the surveyor comes round, he wants to see what works have you done. They want a schedule of works. We show them the pictures before and after, and they also want to see the sold comparable. So it's really important that you can show how much value you've added. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope it gave you some insight into the types of projects we do in London. We love investing in London, in central London. We love to find ways of adding value. If you've got any questions or comments, please comment them down below, and I'll try my best to come back to you. Bye.